What's up, y'all?
Today we're doing fidget spinners because I'm fidget spinner gaining little clutcher. We here. Hopefully y'all see that right there. Like y'all, he's spinning 2 fidget spinners at one time.
Yeah.
Like my dad can try to spin 3 and it fell on his hand. Nearly broke his hand. But
we got the LED. We got the gold one. 50-50 each.
Which is $100.
Yeah.
So don't be trying to buy this stuff.
And don't do what we're gonna do
This
today at home. And if you do, don't tell them that we told you to do it. Cause I don't want to be respectful for any lies. So today, if you don't know already by the title, we're gonna be doing fidget spinner versus tongue.
So last time we did fidget spinner versus forehead and neck, that stuff hurt. Like y'all had my neck. Like you can still see the cuts, like a little bit. You can still see the cuts. That was like last week. I did that, and you can like actually see the cuts right there. Like you can still see it. And on my forehead, I have like a big bruise right there just from that. And now we're trying tongue. This is crazy.
And then next we're gonna try finger. Then we're gonna try eyes. Then we're gonna try nose. Then we're gonna do a whole bunch of crazy stuff.
Yeah, we're just gonna do crazy stuff with fidget spinners. Have a lot of stuff. So let's get started now. Actually, yeah.
I want 1 million miles per hour.
1 million miles per hour. Wait, I gotta go to the bathroom, y'all.
Back from the break. This man had a potty break.
Shut up. But yeah. So we finna get cracking.
Don't mind the background.
Yeah, that's just my brother playing DC Universe on my PlayStation 4. Well, our PlayStation 4. Get on YouTube then.
No big kids though.
Okay. You go first. I'm just trying to see if this is like a side effects or anything.
It really actually tickles.
Wait, what? It tickles? Try it. Bro, that don't hurt. That feel weird, y'all. Like, try this stuff. Like, I thought it was
gonna don't try it, because at the beginning we told you not to try it at home.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Did you put it all the way down?
Unless you like a professional with fidget spinner, you can do this. But if you like just own the fidget spinner and you're watching this video, don't try this.
Yeah, because this video is crazy. We do a whole bunch of crazy bull ass. I'm not even gonna say the curse word because respect your elderlies. Yeah.
So yeah, that was the video. Like it doesn't really hurt. Like we're just gonna give you a description now. Like it doesn't really.
We're gonna put a description below about our hoverboard